Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to announce the winner of the Brain X speaker, and we got a brand new giveaway alert. So let's get right into it. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love
White shoes.
my white shoes.
Calm down. Okay, now if y'all follow my channel, y'all remember we giving away a brand new Brain X speaker. And if you haven't seen that video, watch it right here. This is one of the most insane speakers that I've ever used. So congratulations to everybody who entered that giveaway. Let me show you how we're going to pick the winner. Here's what I'm going to do. Watch this. Now, to enter this giveaway, all you had to do was go to Brain's Instagram. You're going to see my video and go to the comments and leave a comment. So here's what I did. I started scrolling through all of the comments, and I went all the way to the very bottom, right, to the first comment from the giveaway. Let's keep going down, which was about 5 weeks ago. Okay, so let's keep scrolling all the way down. All the way down. Okay, hold up. More. All the way down. It was a lot of entries in this one. Okay, here it is. Now you see, 42 weeks ago is when they posted this. And my giveaway started 5 weeks ago. So here's what I did. I did a random scroll from the very bottom, picked one person, did a few more random scrolls to the middle, picked another person, and then another random scroll all the way toward the top and picked one more person. So let me show y'all the 3 winners that we got. All right, so here's the 3 potential winners that I selected. Number 1, we got Sir Thomas Sanders. Number 2, we got Oscar Tamez Jr. And number 3, we got DJ. Okay, so here's how we're going to do it. I'm going to pull out my phone right here. I'm going to make a quick call, and we're going to ask somebody to select the letter A, B, or C. All right, so let me call up Amaya. Let me see if she's going to answer the phone. Okay. Okay, we calling Amaya. Let's get max volume.
Hello.
Hi, girlie.
Hello, Father.
What's going on? What you doing?
I'm at work,
I can't believe you got a job.
working my 9 to 5.
You got a job. All right, well, you got another job right now. All right, you got another job right now.
I know.
Check this out. I got you on speakerphone, all right, so don't say nothing crazy.
Yeah.
Okay?
Thanks
I got you on
for the heads up now.
All right, my bad. All right, I got you on speakerphone. I'm doing a giveaway on my channel. Okay?
Okay. What am I getting out of this?
You getting the love of the best dad in the world, yo. All right?
Boo. Refund.
No, come on, you know I'm gonna make it worth your while.
Okay. What
All right.
you doing?
So
What
we
you giving away?
got 3 lucky contestants right here, and it's up to you to pick a winner. Now,
All right.
one of these people are gonna really like you, and 2 of these people are gonna really hate you, but it comes with the territory. So I need you to pick a letter.
Chance.
Okay, check this out. I need you to pick a letter. I need you to pick A, B, or C.
All right. I pick
Wait now.
G.
Wait. Now, before you pick, remember, this is for a $500 brand new speaker. Okay? This is going to make somebody's summer incredible. And it's all up to you.
All right. I pick H.
Come on, bro. Come on, bro. This is. I know it's a lot of suspense. Shoes. When you said 8, Shoes just looked at me like, come on, man. Is she serious? All right. Let's get it going.
Right.
A, B, or C. Dramatic drum roll.
I pick A.
You pick A. All right. So you picked
A.
Sir Thomas Sanders. Okay.
Sir Thomas, my boy Thomas.
So Thomas just came up.
Sir Thomas.
All right, so we got to give a big shout out to Oscar and DJ.
Thomas.
All right,
sorry,
thanks,
Oscar and DJ.
Thanks for entering, but we got a winner right here. Winner, chicken dinner. All right.
Sir Thomas, my boy.
All right, so so I'm gonna call him up and let him know he won, and I'm gonna call you back in a few minutes. All right, get back to work anyway. You out here stealing company time, yo.
I'm at 9 to 5.
You know, I was stealing them people. Don't be playing with them people's time, all right?
You're ridiculous. Bye.
All right, bye. Okay, so we got a winner, Sir Thomas Sanders. So here's what I'm gonna do. Let me find that page real quick. Hold up. All right, check this out. Now I found a profile, and I tried to call live and let him know he won, but it's not going through. So here's what I did. I'm going to send a message right now. I put, hey, brother, congratulations. You just won the Brain speaker. Reply to this message with your shipping details. Okay, so congratulations, Sir Thomas Sanders. Let's try to blow him up one more time. Okay, he's not answering. It is what it is. Maybe he got the Instagram set to no phone calls. I respect that. But nevertheless, he just won the Brain speaker. Now, you know when you play poker and you win, you're not supposed to show the other person your hand. But let's just try something real quick. Let me call my girl real quick and just see if this guy still would have won. Hold on. Watch this, y'all. Hold on. I'm going to call my girl. Let me see something real quick. All right, hold up. Let me see something real quick.
Hello?
Hey.
Hey.
That was the sexy voice. My bad. My bad.
Wait, I didn't even hear it because you connected to my speaker, and then when I switched.
Oh, boy. Okay. You're making me. All right. Let me try that again. Hey, what's up?
Hey, baby.
All right, check this out. Now, I got you on speakerphone, so don't say nothing crazy. Do me a favor, just for fun. Pick a letter, A, B, or C.
C.
Damn, yo. Okay, all right.
I know you thought I was gonna say A.
Yeah. When you see the video, you're gonna understand why you're gonna get some hate mail. If you get some hate mail from somebody named DJ, this is why. All right, it's your fault. All right, I'm gonna call you back though.
Okay, all right, bye.
All right, bye. Damn, DJ. If I called DJ, let me tell you what happened. I called my girl first. She didn't answer because she was in a meeting. And I said, okay, let me call Amaya. And I called Amaya. Amaya picked A. All right, so Sir Thomas, you owe Amaya. All right. If I would have called my girl and she would have answered, damn, DJ, you would have won, man. I'm sorry, man. But DJ, hit me up. I got something else for you too, DJ, because I hate to see the vans go out like that. But anyway. All right, so that's the first giveaway. Now, quick side note. Shout out to everybody who's been supporting my channel all of these years. Y'all do a lot for me, and I'm trying to do back, or let me say give back. I'm trying to give back to my YouTube community. So every month, all right, for the next 12 months, I'm going to host a giveaway. So now y'all see the first giveaway was the Brain X speaker. As you can see, this is sealed, brand new, $500 speaker. Now, every month, I can't guarantee a big $500 product, but I'm going to try to make it where it's worth your while. Right? It's going to be something that's pretty good at least. So for the next giveaway, this is another big boy product right here. We got the Techniques AZ100s in Champagne Gold. Now, watch my top 10 earbuds video. I'll leave a link for that right here. Or you can also watch my full review of the Techniques AZ100s. These are easily, and I mean easily, in my top 10 Bluetooth earbuds. Now, as you can see, this is a sealed box because I would never give away earbuds that bend in my ears, okay? And you shouldn't want them that bend in somebody else's ears. These are my champagnes, okay? Now, like I said, I did a sound test on these, did a full review. They sound amazing. But I got another set. This is the 60th anniversary. Let me see. Yeah, as you can see, sealed box. Okay, never been worn, never been used. Brand new set of 60th anniversary AZ100s. Now, if you want to win this giveaway, here's what you got to do. Matter of fact, let's do this right now. We're gonna start the giveaway. Matter of fact, I'll do it. I'll do it when I post the video. Let me show you what I'm gonna do though. Let me find a photo real quick. Now, I'm gonna post a photo of something like this. Let me just find something that's quick. All right, I'm gonna find something like this. You'll see, I'm going to post on Instagram, and the caption is going to be new giveaway alert. All right, pay attention, y'all. It's going to be new giveaway alert. And all you got to do is leave a comment. But leave a comment letting me know that you want to win. Like pick me or, something, whatever. Don't just be like, oh, these look hot. Leave a comment letting me know that you want to win the giveaway, and you'll be entered in the giveaway. Now, it does help if you follow me on Instagram, okay? Because if I pick a name and I see you following me, that's going to make me feel good. So, now, it's not mandatory. You don't have to follow me, okay? I'm not saying you got to follow me, but it would help. It would help your chances if you follow me. And it would also help your chances if you got a real Instagram account, okay? I don't like picking names with no faces and all that. Have a photo, all right? Have a photo, leave a comment. And again, this has to be in the USA. Now, when I start, I'll get some companies to sponsor me some international giveaways at some point. But when I'm sponsoring the giveaways out of my pocket, it has to be in the USA, okay? Because I got to cover all of the shipping and handling and all that, and I'm kind of broke right now. Okay, so like I said, next giveaway alert. Matter of fact, let's do it right now. What's today's date? Today is the 11th. Okay. Oh, shout out to my sister. Happy birthday. Remind me in 30 days to pick a winner for the Techniques AZ100s. Okay, so I just said a little reminder right there.
Pick up winner for the...
Okay, calm down, Siri, calm down. I did the same thing with the brain speaker. I got the alert 30 days later to do the video, but I was kind of busy and I just came back from out of town. I don't know if y'all heard it in my voice. I'm a little bit jet lagged. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. Okay. So, quick side note, if you like this is the Anchor Power Conference 3. This is pretty. This is a little shameless plug to Anchor. Let me show you something real quick. Let's go to music. Let me go to my library. Okay, this is a little Bluetooth speaker. But I don't know if y'all noticed when I was making the phone calls, and I did a full review on this, it actually has a bunch of different microphones. So if somebody's talking from this way, you'll see the light facing that way. When I'm talking, the light faces me. You know, this is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. I don't even know why I'm talking about this, but it is what it is. All right. Back to the giveaway. You got 30 days, okay? Now, we got 30 days from tomorrow. Matter of fact, from today. I'm going to post this video in a couple of hours. 30 days from today. Okay, when you see that Instagram post, hit me up. Let me know you want to win. And also on a side note, let me know, do y'all like this way of picking the winners? Now, I could do something like randompicker.org or something, but I like to say, if we're going to do a giveaway that's 30 days long, I want to pick somebody who entered today. All right, because a lot of people are going to enter today. So I'm going to pick somebody who entered today. I'm going to pick somebody who entered in 2 weeks. And I'll pick somebody who entered toward the end of the giveaway. That kind of makes it fair. And then we'll do the same thing. We'll let somebody else pick the winner. Because this way, they don't know me. Then nobody knows what's going on. And everything on this channel is above board. I know somebody might say, oh, you're picking one of your friends and all of that. Look, man, everything on my channel, I don't know if y'all noticed or not. Let me go back real quick. Let me go to Instagram. If y'all notice or not. Oh, look. Oh, wait. Look at this. Oh, no. Did he call me back or that's me calling? I was about to say, I thought he called back. Y'all see all of these phone calls? This is our only conversations that we ever had. All right. I'll call one more time. Why not? Blow him up. Yeah. All right, Sir Thomas Sanders. I was going to give you some major shout outs. You know, like, hey, it is what it is. You got a brain speaker. Be happy with that. All right. Anyway, hit me up in the comments and let me know if there's any ideas of things that y'all want to give away. Any companies watching this video, if y'all want to sponsor some of your products to give away, I'm welcome to that. But most of these products are going to be just stuff that I get. Okay, stuff that I get. And a lot of times when I get products from companies, you know, they don't pay me to do these videos. But sometimes I say, you know, you're not going to pay me to do the video. Send me two. Okay, you're not gonna pay me to do the video. Send me two, and then maybe I'll sell one to one of my friends. Or instead of doing that, I'm gonna start saying, "Send me two," and I'm gonna do a giveaway. Okay. Anyway, it's your boy Floss. Tomorrow we got we got something special tomorrow. I'm gonna show y'all a cute phone. It's very cute. Some would say zesty, but it's very cute. We're gonna do that tomorrow. Then we got the the Vivo Fold, and we got the Marshall. We got the the Middleton 2. We got a bunch of products this week. It's going to be a very eventful week over here in the Flossy Carter Network. As I can tell, I'm in a good mood. Anyway, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this. And congratulations to everybody who entered. Look, man, my moms used to say, you got to be in it to win it. Okay? Look. There's never a time that you shouldn't enter a giveaway. I know people say, oh, I never win. Let me tell you a quick story. Yo, this got to be about 14 years ago. I don't know, not only the real old school cats who've been in the tech game for over 15 years. Y'all remember there was a YouTuber named Black Prince 310? To me, and I don't know why he retired from YouTube mad early, but him and MKBHD was like neck and neck. Like, he was like a light-skinned version of MKBHD. You know, like, and I guarantee you, if he would have stayed in the game, him and MKBHD would have been like side by side in terms of like the way they produce, you know, high quality videos. They reach out to everybody, you know, not like me, not some hood shit like me. They, you know, he was an up and coming YouTuber, right? So I entered his giveaway and I won. And then when he went to pick the giveaway, he was like, yo, Flossy Carter won the giveaway. He was like, I ain't giving this shit to Flossy. He got as much tech as me. Nah, I'm picking somebody else. But the reason I tell y'all that story is you got to be in it to win it. the funny thing is, I went up in my credit union maybe like 2 years ago, and they was like, "Oh, we got a raffle. You know, we got to, you pay $1 for a raffle, you win $1,000." I'm like, man, I never win shit. I'm not a big winner like that when it comes to games and giveaways and all that. Well, hey, it's only $1. I put $1 in. A couple of days later, I got an alert saying, "Yo, you won $1,000." I went right to the credit union, picked up a check for $1,000. So the point is, you got to be in it to win it. If you don't ask, the answer's always no. Yeah, and look, and I go through this all the time. I can show y'all a funny email. Speaking of Marshall, I can show you a funny email from Marshall, because how many years I've been reviewing Marshall products? They never sent me a speaker. They never sent me some headphones. So I said, you know what? Somebody asked me to review the Marshall Middleton 2. And matter of fact, look, I hate telling stories without proof. Watch this. All right, watch this. Now, somebody asked me to review the Marshall Middleton 2, and I was just about to buy it like I buy every other speaker. A couple of weeks ago, I just bought this Marshall speaker. Okay, y'all seen this one right here? This is one of my favorites. But I was like, all right, somebody want to see the Middleton 2? Let me go ahead and buy that too. And I was just about to buy it, and I said, you know what? Let me ask them if they have a review unit. Because why should I drop $330? If they got a review unit laying around, I review products. I spent a lot of money with Marshall over the years. Maybe they want to throw your boy one for free. So I sent them a message on Instagram, and check this out. I'm going to cover part of the message because I don't want to put them on blast. But they was like, thanks for your interest. We do not offer products for free. However, they gave me a discount code to buy it. Now, the discount code was only 10%, but I saved $30. Now, I said that to say this. If you don't ask, the answer's always no. Okay? If you don't enter the contest, you automatically lost. You can never win if you ain't in it. Okay? You got to be in it to win it. Anyway, Techniques AZ100s, that's the next big giveaway. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this. And like I said, stay tuned for more new videos.
We're in a situation where everybody in the world uses technology. And if you're going to buy some of that technology, you got to understand certain things. Subscribe to Flossy Carter. He does reviews of all the latest technology. The iPhones, the iPads, the Galaxies, the Samsungs, whatever the fuck. The Beats by that doctor guy. And he puts his kitty cat in the videos too for you something to look at. You know, I'm an animal lover, so I like that shit. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to Flossy Carter on the YouTube, the follow button on the Instaface, and the like button on the Facebook. Because if you don't, we're gonna have a fucking problem here. A bad one. Now hit the fucking subscribe button.